Another thing that I wanted to mention, now that I've kind of gone over how most of it works, are the notes. As you can see here, here it says note 1, click here to see note. Normally on the reports, on the bottom, here would say what the actual note says. However, the way this program works is that it has formulas working in the background, so I'm not able to put the note here. So we decided that we have to put the note somewhere else. So if you want to actually see the note of a table, you have to click on it. It'll take you to another worksheet, which is the second one right here called notes. And basically this will show you for table 3, note 1, this is what the note actually says. So the notes are in a different worksheet because of the way the report works, and you have to click on the note and it'll take you to the worksheet. If you want to go back to the report, you can do it, just click back on report. However, we also included hyperlinks on the titles themselves if you want to go back. So if you want to go back to table 3, you can click on table 3, or if you don't want to go back to the table anymore and you want to go back to the beginning and you want to choose something else, you can always click Continue Education Program Review and it will take you to the beginning. So if I go to click Continue Education Program Review, it took me to the beginning. But if I were to click table 3, it takes me to table 3. So we're giving you the possibility to move freely and easier from one point to another in the report. However, just keep in mind that putting away the hyperlinks and everything else, this is just a file in Excel. You can move around, you can go up and down, you can do whatever you want with it. The hyperlinks, they're not a necessity for you to move through the report. They're just an extra option that we gave you so that the flow of the information or once you're flowing with the data, you can do it in a nicer, more elegant way. This one, operational definitions, again, this was also on the PDF reports. It was, I believe, on the last page for one of those. So here is just definition. It just explains anything if you don't know what that means. It's an overall definition, and sometimes you also have some extra notes here. Depending on your department, there's some extra notes that were included. So if you're looking at overall program, make sure to look in here because we have some extra things that we also included on the notes.